Hello friends, myself Dr. Satpal Yadav, working as an assistant professor in Lakshmibai National Institute of Physical Education, Northeast Regional Center, Guwahati.
Introduction to the mechanical analysis in hitting. Mechanics, branch of physics, deal with motion and force of any skill or technique. Analyzes splitting up the technique or the skill movement into the constituent part. In sports like hitting in hockey, hitting in volleyball, hitting in baseball, and so on. We take an example of hitting in hockey. Hit. This is the powerful stroke for the long pass or to score the goal. Component of stage of hitting in hockey. Position. Get into the position. Stance. Helps to develop power. Important consideration is the placement of the foot. Leg remains semi-flexed. Center of the gravity remains close to the back. To help for the forceful hip rotation during the swing. Backswing. Swing the stick straight back. Forward swing. Swing the stick head into the ball in a sequential manner. Follow through. Finish the stroke over the opposite shoulder. Major factors in speed of the struck ball. Speed of incoming ball and the striking implement. Mass of the ball and the striking implement. Elasticity between the ball and the striking implement. Direction of the ball and the implement at impact. Point of impact between the ball and the implement. Mechanical principle of hitting. The direction in which the object moves is determined by the direction of force applied. Any change in momentum in colliding object is related to the force and the duration of collision. The greater the velocity of the approaching ball, the greater velocity of the ball in opposite direction after it gets struck. The greater the velocity of the striking implement at contact, the greater the velocity of the struck ball. The greater mass of the ball, the greater its velocity after get contacted. The greater mass of the striking implement up to a point, the greater the striking force, therefore the greater speed of the ball. The higher the coefficient of elasticity of the ball and the striking implement, greater the speed of the struck ball. The direction taken by the struck ball is determined by four factors. 1. Direction of the striking implement at contact, relationship of striking force to the ball center of the gravities, degree of firmness of the grip and the wrist at the contact. And the last, law of rebound. Thank you.